Photographs are perfectly safe.
In the hands of a fugitive sex worker.
She's not interested in blackmail. She wants protection for some reason. You have to leave her alone. Treat her like royalty, Mycroft.
No, not the way she treats royalty. What was that?
Text.
Well, what was that noise?
It's a bit rude, that noise, isn't it?
Why does your phone make that noise?
What noise?
That noise, the one it just made.
It's texted that. It means I've got a text.
Your texts don't usually make that noise.
Well, somebody got hold of the phone and apparently as a joke personalized their text alert noise.
So every time they text you...
It would seem so.
Could you turn that phone down a bit at my time of life?
I'm wondering who could have got hold of your phone, because it would have been in your coat, wouldn't it?
I'll leave you to your deductions.
I'm not stupid, you know.
But do you get that idea?